WANT has developed over 30 different taxonomy suites addressing all domains of knowledge for all of these different verticals: aerospace, insurance, manufacturing, and as you can see, many more. Today we're going to take a brief look at our Semiconductor Manufacturing Taxonomy Suite, which includes all of the metadata models that will address all of the domains of knowledge relevant to a semiconductor manufacturing company like yours. The download, delivery, and access to our taxonomies takes place on our WANT Taxonomy Library portal. Each of our clients gets a username and a passcode. Once logged in, you'll be able to go to the taxonomy library, and we're interested in the Semiconductor Manufacturing Taxonomy Suite. These are the metadata models that will address all of the domains of knowledge within your business. Things like semiconductor manufacturing, various management taxonomies, human resources, procurement, workplace health and safety, and more. And what we can do is click into any one of these taxonomy titles and explore the various taxonomies by drilling down this tree. Discrete devices, integrated circuits, materials. And by clicking on this, we can drill into semiconductor fabrication, charge carriers, die preparation, integrated circuit packaging, ball grid array, chip scale packages, flat packages, ceramic flat pack, dual flat pack. We're able to now download, say, just this semiconductor fabrication branch of the taxonomy. Simply highlight the selected branch, click on Delivery, Selected Branch, and then we need to select the target application from this dropdown. Once selected, we will create the delivery, and in just a few seconds, the delivery will be ready in our Deliveries tab. This file can then be downloaded directly to our desktop and then imported into your application of choice. It's just that simple. We have a massive library of taxonomies for you to browse, download, and use related to semiconductor manufacturing. Make sure to come back to the library portal often to see our taxonomy updates and import newly added terms into your environment.